Thanks for joining us for the Great Telco Debate 2019. I'm Charlotte Kahn, and today I'm talking to Rabi Abdel. He's NFV and SDN Principal Architect at Vodafone Group. Thank you very much for joining us.
My pleasure.
Now, there are lots of discussions currently about the role of telecom companies in the digital economy. So how do you think the industry can go about offering greater value?
It's all about the services that we can deliver to our customer. With the move to becoming digital service provider, there's a huge business opportunities to deliver extra value to our customer by being able to deploy real-time application where the customer really needs it. And we have really advantage of having this connectivity with our customers. So the ability of being able to deliver what the customer expects from us is really what we see the value of becoming digital in more agile fashion and speedy way.
And what do you think will be the key driver to enhance this change or to facilitate it? Would it be technology, business models, investment, culture, or skill sets, or people?
It's actually a combination of all of what you mentioned. I think the mindset is quite important. The mindset needs really to change, to think really agility, to think really how do I deliver service to our customer in a quick way, to get advantage of giving those features and rolling those updates out to customer as quickly as we finish developing them. But also from the vendor side, really thinking about how do I play in an operator ecosystem in an open fashion alongside other providers for our application, our services. So this interoperability between different components in the network that we carry on is really important to have a successful transformation to become more digital service providers. So there's really a key of bringing this consistency on the way we deliver those services.
So in this context, is cloud native a must-do or nice to do as CSPs transform and turn into digital service providers?
I think it's a must-do really. And what really interests us in the cloud native is the mindset change that it has to happen to stop thinking about network functions as being physical box or virtual instance running in a vertical stack. We need to think about services as becoming modular components that can scale horizontally to keep up with the scale of growth we experience in our network. But addition to that, the mindset of really being able to deploy the services and update the services and add extra features to customers in agile way while you develop them, so you have environment for testing, environment for production, and you can test while you develop your features that will allow you to experiment with those features immediately with the customers and get early feedback. And that will mean better time to market and better revenue for us as well.
So how do you think CSP vendor business models need to adapt to accelerate telecom transformation?
With this move to digital and becoming digital service provider, we're no longer going to rely on a single vendor to provide the service for us. And this is really why important for all our ecosystem partners to think how do they work together and be interoperable with each other. And this is why we need to focus more on those standard interfaces, open APIs, which everyone comply to. And when we have the interoperability between different vendors, that will mean we can deliver the service to our customer and manage it proactively and also have a sustainable business model that will allow us to scale our services as we move along.
Okay, Rabi, thank you very much.
Thank you for having me.